Good afternoon, folks. Another quick video for you here on your Mittleider garden and applying pre-plant and weekly feed in your Mittleider grow box. The grow box differs from the soil bed in that you're going to actually apply pre-plant. You're actually going to apply the pre-plant twice with a grow box. The first application goes on the soil inside the grow box, and the second application of pre-plant goes into your growing medium. And here for us, we're using sand and sawdust. The weekly feed also is going to get mixed into the sand and sawdust. No weekly feed goes on the soil. Did not discuss it earlier, but our pre-plant, and that's what's in this bucket here. And I do have a video on mixing the pre-plant, and I will link with an iCard to that video. But the pre-plant is always applied at a rate of 1 ounce per linear foot. My beds are 30 feet long, so there is 30 ounces of the pre-plant in the bottom of each box, and then there will be another 30 ounces that will be added to the growing medium that fills them. Weekly feed is always applied at half that amount, so I'm going to put 15 ounces of weekly feed in each box. That will all get mixed in, and then these will be ready to grow. Okay, that's it. Quick and dirty, very simple. If you have any questions on your Mittleider garden, growing in grow boxes, or the application